Ever get that feeling like an AI is giving you the short version of the story?
Like, yeah, it knows something, but not the whole picture.
Exactly. It's like trying to put together a puzzle, but with like half the pieces missing. Well, get ready to dive into contextual retrieval with us today. We're going to explore how Anthropic, a big name in AI, is seriously changing how AI understands, like really gets the information it uses.
And what's really cool is how they've managed to, like, boost AI's accuracy by a crazy amount, 67%, just by giving it something that most AIs are kind of bad at context.
67%, that's massive. What makes context so important for AI anyway?
Okay, so imagine reading a sentence like, sales are up 10%. On its own, that doesn't tell you much, right?
Right, like whose sales? What are we
Right.
even talking about here?
Totally. Is it Apple? Tesla? What time period are we even talking about? And that's where traditional AI hits a wall. Without those extra details, the context, it's like trying to understand a joke without the punchline.
Yeah, like you're missing a key piece of the puzzle. You might sort of get the picture, but not really.
Exactly. And that's exactly what Anthropic's tackled head on. They've basically found a way to give AI the full story, all those missing puzzle pieces. And it totally changes how good AI can be at giving us useful and accurate answers.
Okay, now this is what I really want to know. How do they do that? It's not like they can just tell the AI to get context and it magically happens. Like,
Not magic, but close. It all comes down to two main things: contextual embeddings and contextual BM25.
okay, break those down for me. What in the world are contextual embeddings?
So think of contextual embeddings, like giving each piece of information a little ID card, a passport of sorts.
Okay, I kind of see where you're going with this.
This passport tells the AI everything about where that info came from and what it's all about.
So instead of just seeing like sales increased, the AI knows this is from Apple's quarterly report from this year.
You got it.
Wow, so it's like giving the AI the power to connect the dots, to see the whole story behind the data, not just random bits and pieces.
Exactly. And that brings us to contextual BM25, the second part of their secret sauce. This one acts like a supercharged search engine. But instead of just looking for basic keyword matches, it's like, hold on, let me check the context around those keywords too.
So it's like a super detective for information. Can you give me a real-world example?
Sure. Let's say you're trying to find info about a specific error code. With a regular search engine, you might type in error TS999 and get, like, a million useless results.
Yeah. Been there.
Right. But with this contextual BM25 thing, you could search error TS999 in Apple's Q4 2024 report, and boom, the AI knows exactly what you mean.
It's like having a team of research assistants at your fingertips who can cut through all the noise and get you the exact information you need.
You got it. And the best part is, Anthropic's research shows these techniques get some seriously impressive results.
Okay, so adding context to AI is a game changer. But in the real world, what kind of improvements are we talking about? What are the numbers?
Okay, so just with those contextual embeddings, they've cut down AI errors by, get this, 35%. And when they combine that with the contextual BM25, that number jumps to 49% fewer errors.
Wait, 49% just from adding context? That's insane. It's like teaching AI common sense, almost.
That big of a deal, yeah. And get this, they added another step, re-ranking.
Yeah.
And that bumps the accuracy even higher. We're talking a 67% drop in errors overall.
Re-ranking? What's that then? Sounds like they're making the AI double-check its work or something.
Exactly. It's like having another expert review the AI's findings, making sure it's picking out the best, most accurate info.
Like an AI that understands what you're asking and double-checks itself before it answers.
This re-ranking for you.
Now that's attention to detail. Okay, but enough theory. How's all this actually being used? Can you give me an example?
Okay, so imagine you're a programmer, right? And you've got this nasty bug in your code. You feed the error message to your AI coding buddy, and instead of spitting back a bunch of random links, it goes right to the problem, like the exact line of code, and then suggests a fix that works for your specific code.
That's next level debugging, like
Yep.
having a super powered coding partner who gets what you're doing.
Exactly. And it doesn't stop there. Say you're a medical researcher right on the verge of a breakthrough for some rare disease. With contextual retrieval, you can go through tons of research papers, clinical trial data, patient records, and you can do it with crazy precision, uncovering hidden connections and stuff that might have been missed before.
That's amazing. It's like giving doctors a superpower to make diagnoses faster and more accurately.
For sure. And those are just two examples. The possibilities are endless, really. Think about customer service chatbots that actually get what you're saying and give you solutions. Or legal assistants powered by AI, analyzing thousands of documents in seconds, finding that one tiny detail that cracks the case wide open.
It's clear this technology could change everything. But is it only for the big players, companies with tons of money, or can smaller businesses and developers use it too?
That's what's so cool about what Anthropic's doing. They're making this tech accessible and affordable, and they're doing it through something called prompt caching.
Prompt caching. Okay, now you've piqued my interest. Tell me more.
So think about asking an AI assistant a bunch of questions, one after the other. With prompt caching, the AI remembers the context from your earlier questions. So it doesn't have to start fresh every
Oh,
time.
that's smart.
Right. This makes things way faster, and it needs less computing power. So it's way more affordable.
So it's like teaching the AI to learn from its experiences, so it gets smarter and faster over time. Love it.
Exactly. This is huge for smaller companies and developers. Now they can use contextual retrieval without going broke. It's like they're making sure everyone benefits from AI, not just a select few.
That's what I love about this stuff. It's not just about the tech, but the potential it unlocks for everyone. Anthropic making contextual retrieval accessible shows they get it. It's like they're saying, we're all in this AI revolution together.
Powerful message.
Yeah.
But like with any really powerful tech, we got to think about the implications, the challenges that come with it.
Couldn't agree more. As AI gets more advanced, we have to make sure we're using it ethically and responsibly. It's like that old saying, right? With great power comes great responsibility. Especially as AI gets more advanced, we got to make sure we're using it for the right reasons.
You said it. There's all this talk about AI getting too smart, too powerful, but the real power is in our hands. We get to decide how to use it, how to make it work for everyone.
So, where do we even start? How do we make sure something as powerful as contextual retrieval is used for good?
It all starts with knowing what's what. The more people understand about AI, like what it can do, what it can't, and how it'll affect us, the better we can shape it in the right direction.
So, it's all about knowledge is power when it comes to AI.
100%. We got to be informed, not just along for the ride. Supporting those organizations, the ones pushing for ethical AI and making sure these companies are being open and honest, that's huge.
Makes sense like anything else. Got to hold the creators and the users accountable for how AI affects us.
Exactly. And it's not just on the big guys, the tech giants. We all have a part to play in this AI future.
Okay, so what can we, like regular people, even do besides just, staying informed?
Tons. Pay attention to how you're using AI already. Ask questions about the answers it gives you. Give it feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for better. These systems are built to learn, so the more we use them thoughtfully, the better they get.
So it's like having a pet AI. You got to train it right.
Huh. I like that. But seriously, don't just accept everything an AI tells you at face value. Think critically. Dig a little deeper. Come to your own conclusions.
Love that. As we wrap up this deep dive on contextual retrieval, any last words for our listeners? One big takeaway you want them to walk away with?
If I had to choose one, it'd be this. Context is everything. In a world overflowing with information, being able to understand the nuances, the backstory, the why behind the what, that's what matters. It's what sets us apart, and it's how we'll use AI effectively in the future.
Beautifully said. And on that note, huge thanks to you and to all our listeners for joining this deep dive into the world of contextual retrieval. It's been an amazing journey. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing for more from the technology shaping our world. Until next time, stay curious.